evolution of apartments, especially in India, it's like growing like enormously. So wherein it requires a large amount of human power to paint these high-rise apartments, and it is seen that even though we are possible, the humans can possibly paint these apartments, but not only by just going there out at the heights and painting there. It is seen that once they start painting at these higher heights, what happens is like they are like painting at a very huge risk. It's like they are pledging their human life and they are painting. So to overcome this, we are a group termed as Bots Group. We have come up with a new venture called as Colobot, which means the Colo stands for the color and the Bot stands for the device. Wherein this Colobot can move to the different places. It doesn't mind whether it is a vertical surface or the horizontal surface, and it can move to the different places at different angles and can paint the surfaces very much very uniformly.
To introduce my team, from the left it is Praveen Kumar Ji, Sujit Solomon VB, Suji R. Patil, Assistant Professor Ravindranath, Raj Kiran K, and Sumant S. Patanshetty.
To start off, let me start off with the output display devices. So this is our screen display, which is going to display whatever the process is going on. Then getting to a sound display, this is a speaker which is going to display speak out the sounds. Controlling the bot, I have two controls. One is the hardware control, one is the software control. So the hardware control, I have a keypad which gives me 5 control: forward, reverse, left, right, and stop. So getting back to the main bot, so this is my main part of the project. The main part of this project is centrifuge impeller, as you can see here. The centrifuge impeller it works on the vacuum concept. The thing is, this vacuum this centrifuge impeller has to rotate at high speed. When it rotates at high speed, the circle that you see here creates a low pressure area. This low pressure area, when it's placed on the wall, it's going to make sure that this bot is caught on the wall, is hold on the wall, or stuck on the wall. So to rotate this centrifuge impeller at high speed, I have a motor which is 48,000 RPM. Okay, so this motor, when it rotates at 48,000 RPM, it's going to create a section. So this section will make sure this bot is stuck on the wall. So how will I make this 48,000 RPM to rotate or supply is, I'll be using this dry batteries. So each battery gives me 12 volts and 7 amperes. So like this, I've connected here 3 batteries, and one more battery I've connected is 12 volts and 5 amperes. So totally I'm using 12 volts and 25 amperes. So this motor, 48,000 RPM motor, can take a supply of 12 volts, constant DC 12 volts, and current depends on how much of the load I'm going to apply on it. So I require an I section. So this impeller has to rotate at high speed, so I require so much of current. And other parts, what this has is for the wheels, because for section I've said you what is going to happen. To make this bot move on the wall, I would want wheels. So for this wheels, I have 4 motors, which is 60 RPM motors. So each motor is 60 RPM and gives me 2 kg torque, which can hold, with the section can make this bot run on the wall, forward, reverse, or any directions. So to getting back to the software controls, I have this Android app. I have a Bluetooth module, so I can connect this app to the Bluetooth module, and I can give this software control where I have going forward, reverse, left and right, and stop. All these controls I have it in this. And one more thing, one more device that I've used here is a wired camera. Okay, so this is used as in surveillance, because like when this bot is climbing on the wall, I'll have to know the paint pattern. So to know the paint pattern, I'll be using this camera. So this camera output is displayed in this monitor. So you can see here the motor is seen here. So like this, I'll be able to, using the surveillance camera, I'll be able to know the paint pattern. So this application goes on everywhere. And coming back to the paint concept, so paint concept, I'll be using this pump motor. So this pump motor specifications is it has 1 HP power, and 8 feet it can pump. It can pump up to 8 feet. So using that concept, I'll be able to paint this.
To begin with the explanation of the components which I used in this project, the processor board which I used is the MSP430 Launchpad. It uses a Texas MSP430 G245 launch our IC. And coming back to the another driver ICs which I use, the 4-gate DC motors which I used in the Colobot is controlled by the 2 H bridges designed by 2 ICs of Texas LN293D ICs, and we have also got 2 output devices as LCD and a voice recorder module. The voice recorder module which we have used is APR3A3 IC, and LCD which to display the direction of the movement of the Colobot. And we have got the surveillance camera which uses a 5 volt DC supply, and we have a receiver and a TV tuner card for the display in the monitor. And we have got another object sensor for detection of any obstacles for the movement in the robot. And we have a Bluetooth module designed by IC HC05, which can detect or connect to any Bluetooth devices for distance of around 5 meters.
When it comes to the future enhancement of the same project, we have planned like it's like the prototype which we have considered for till now. It's like it can paint a single color and it covers a very less amount of area. The prototype which we have right now, it can cover up to an amount of 30 km per day. Therefore, it can paint an uniform lengthy surface of 30 km at an average of 30 km per day.
My personal gratitude goes to Bot's crew, without whom this wouldn't have been possible. From the left, it's Vishal, Ramya, Sasha, Prasagna, and Chandana.